Did you know Leonardo da Vinci was hiding secrets so dark they could have gotten him killed? This Renaissance genius secretly cut open over 30 human corpses, including pregnant women, to study anatomy. The Catholic Church would have executed him for this. But that's just the beginning. Leonardo wrote everything backwards in mirror writing to hide his dangerous ideas from church spies. Only a reflection could reveal his thoughts. Here's where it gets crazy. He designed working tanks, helicopters, and submarines 400 years before they existed. Modern engineers built his blueprints, and they actually work perfectly. Even worse for the church, his fossil discoveries in mountains proved Earth was millions of years older than the Bible claimed. Ancient sea creatures on mountaintops revealed shocking truths about our planet's age. But the ultimate bombshell? Recent analysis shows Leonardo used camera obscura projection for his paintings. His masterpieces weren't just painted, they were essentially Renaissance photography. Everything we thought we knew about his artistic genius was wrong.